I would say we're trying something a little different today, but it's not an everyday thing. Needed it to really get both wagons here without too much driving back and forth. And I may have filled the red wagons up a little too much and couldn't get them rolling. So then Alyssa too was able to do a little persuasion. So since it was already hooked up, just brought them both today. Makes it a little bit less time to get everything done. So hopefully it fits across the scale. If not, I'm gonna feel really dumb. And obviously then you're just unhooking and doing it. But it worked to get it towed here with the 9200, and yeah. Been another great day of farming. And yeah, I did wear the same hoodie. It got washed, but I wear the same hoodie today as yesterday, as Sunday. It's my Remembrance Farm one. So yeah, it's going well. So a little bit slower today. This is one of those fields that it's right in the middle. It's only 18 acres. You do gotta move. I took this as an opportunity this morning to get everything greased up, gone over, blown off. I mean, that's just the essentials, but for most guys, but the fact that I only do 150 acres total, I don't know, sometimes it's a nicety, but just unloading. Eventually we'll get to move over to 45, 25, 70 plus another 10, 80 acres, all in one location, which will be nice to get back to that. But this is typically my best field. It's not there right now, but I'm hoping that it gets there. Yeah, I was gonna try flying my drone, but I need another more high capacity cable. Right now I have one that's just really a charging USB-C, but it's not like a data cable. But I did have to put it back in the case just so I don't accidentally set my drone off like Andy Dennison did the 1 year. So yeah, just updating out. And obviously, if you're watching this, you know that's what happens, and we're gonna get back at it and try to get these 2 wagons full before my mom gets back from the elevator. Yeah, it's not that far. It's like a 5-minute drive, so 5-10 minutes. So hopefully it adds up and get some drone footage today. Today is Tuesday, October 28th. Yeah. Actually get some video of combining. It's interesting, this variety, you really can't see it. This is on the top of a clay hill. But when we get down lower, this particular variety got great looking stalks. Like, it's really tall compared to the other variety. Obviously I don't plant silage corn, it's just how the variety is. It's tall, the ears are up high. But what I would say is I'm not a fan of it. It's been wetter and hasn't yielded as well as the same variety, not same variety, a different variety that's been right next to it. Now the different variety, we'll have to get over there. So this, you can see, like, its tassel's darn near eye level for me in the combine, which is pretty great. But right now we're running at about a 180s, 21% moisture. But I'll do a video of the other variety next to it, same location, so you can see. I always try to not overreact too much based on varieties. Sometimes it's just the year, so I try not to just change just to change, although I do pretty much change varieties most years. But I would say in its current state, I wouldn't plant this one again. But maybe when the field is done, I'll feel different, but just right now, it's kind of what I'm feeling. So when we compared the other variety that was considerably taller, you can actually see it. This is the second one. I'd say it's just much lower moisture, the same if not a little bit higher yield. And even here it got shorter, but you can see if the yield drops off. It does a little bit. But it's interesting just seeing the different varieties. I just don't do this enough. For the guys that are doing this once every, or multiple times a day, I just gotta get myself over. All good. One more shot. After I went forward and back a few times, but like I said, it's wow. If I was doing this for a couple weeks straight, multiple times a day, I'd probably be better at it. But as it currently stands, I put it on the head trailer about 3 times, maybe 4 the whole season. So, but it comes in handy because going down the road would be a lot. So now just time to get it strapped down and be on its way. Move this over. Now I know it's probably overkill, but I do put one more ratchet strap across just to keep it cinched down a little bit more. Since I have the shield in the middle, can't go in the middle anymore, so like so. Maybe it's not going to go anywhere anyways, or maybe this isn't even remotely strong enough to do anything, but it gives peace of mind. Okay, wind this up.